Which color should I choose for my interior is one of the things that homeowners are most confused about. Colors affect our mood and action. It is essential to carefully select the suitable colors to create the right ambience, keeping in mind your taste and your style. This video will help you choose the right colors for your interiors. Consider the meaning of the colors. Different colors evoke different emotions. Colors should be chosen after thinking about how you want to feel. Select natural hues and cool colors like green and blue for a calming effect. Choose bright colors like orange and yellow if you desire enthusiasm and freshness. Colors according to the purpose of the space. Colors can help distinguish between different rooms in your home and trigger a variety of subconscious responses. Choose colors after deciding what emotions you want to evoke in each space. Choose colors like blue and natural colors like green for your bedrooms if you want to create a tranquil, relaxing atmosphere. Warm colors like hues of yellow or orange are good choices if you want your living area to seem energetic. Balance is important. Setting the proper mood is crucial because we don't want to use any of the color tones excessively. Therefore, striking the appropriate balance is crucial. Identify the perfect balance between these tones. Make sure the colors you choose elicit the appropriate emotion. You can use imagination to create the ideal ambience in your home. Choosing the right finish. Choose the appropriate finish for your interior after selecting the color combinations of your choice. Your interior's finish is just as crucial as choosing the proper color. Strategic use of color and finish may draw attention to the best features of your interior design. Remember that the shine and attention you attract to the surface increases with increasing gloss. Use colors to enlarge or cozy up your room. Warm colors foster intimacy, whereas cool colors tend to make a space feel broader and more open. Large rooms can typically take more color than small areas at the most basic level. Choose the colors you would most like to hear from when they could speak. At Beth Living, we think that selecting the colors for your interior can create or break the atmosphere of your house. Visit our website right away to receive a free consultation. If this video has helped you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.